Hey, today we're making vegan lentil and zucchini soup, and it's so decadent and delicious. I have to show you how to make it. I mean, look at this. All right, let's go. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is chop our vegetables. I'm using celery, carrots, and onions here, very traditional, and I love the base layer of flavor that this gives our soup, but you can honestly use whatever vegetables you like. You just want to make sure to chop them in about even sizes so everything cooks up well. Then we're going to add them to a pan with a little bit of oil and give them a stir. Once they're softened, you want to season them with your spices, and I like to add in a little garlic paste and then toast that up to really open up those spices. Next, I add in a little dark soy sauce and I mix that around with some cherry vinegar. And we're gonna add in some tomato sauce, and I like to cook that just a little bit to get it all incorporated before adding in our broth. And then I add in up to the full 4 cups of broth that come in the container. I like to do the full 4 cups because it makes it more saucy. I let it simmer for about 15 minutes before stirring it around and then adding in a little bit of salt and pepper, my zucchini, and my lentils. I'm gonna let that cook for another 10 minutes and it's going to thicken up naturally. Before I go ahead and plate it up, I like to serve it in these soup crocks because it's so cute, and I top it with a little vegan Parmesan cheese and parsley. I'm telling you, you gotta try this immediately. Bye.